Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In this video, we'll discuss the first problem of Lead Code Weekly Contest 299. It's an easy level problem. The problem name is check if matrix is X matrix. So the problem statement says that a square matrix is said to be an X matrix if both of the following conditions hold. So the first condition is all the elements in the diagonals of the matrix are non-zero and all other elements are 0. So given a 2D integer array grid of size n cross n representing a square matrix, we need to return true if the grid is an X matrix, otherwise we need to return false, right? So the two conditions are all the elements in the diagonal of the matrix are non-zero. So here we can see in the main diagonal 2 3 2 2 all the elements are non-zero, and similarly in the reverse diagonal 1 1 5 4 all the elements are non-zero. So the first condition is met. What about the second conditions? All the other elements are 0. So we can see the elements represented by red color, they are 0, so we return true in this case. Similarly for the second case, if we see, then it's the first diagonal is 5 3 and 0, but the first condition says it should be non-zero, right? So but this is 0, so the first condition fails. And if we talk about the second condition, then also the red element should be 0, but they are non-zero. Like even if a single element is non-zero, then it's will return false in that case, right? So if we look into this, then if this is a matrix, n cross n matrix, suppose this is 3, then what are the diagonal elements? Suppose if I talk about the main diagonal, so the it can be represented by 0 comma 0, this can be represented by 1 comma 1, and this can be represented by 2 comma 2, right? So that means the row and column index in the main diagonal is are equal. That means r equals c, right? This is for the main diagonal. Now what about the opposite diagonal, this one? So if we see the indices at this diagonal, so it is 0 comma 2, right? And just a second, and this one is 2 comma 0, and this one is 1 comma 1, right? So what it says that, just a second, oh this is gone, so it's 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 2. Yep, yeah, 2 comma 0 0 comma 2. So here what is the condition? Here the condition is that row plus column equals to, what is n here? It's a 3 cross 3 matrix, right? So this is equals to n minus 1. This is the second condition. So first condition is row equals column, and the second is the sum of row and column indices is equals to n minus 1. So these are the two conditions that we can check for the diagonal, right? So if we look into the code, then starting from line number 9, we calculate what is n, and then we run a nested loop, and on line number 12 we check whether the current cell that we are visiting, is it a diagonal. Now the diagonal function, as explained in the diagram, will return true if row equals column, that is it is the main diagonal, or if row plus column equals minus 1, so it will return true, as it will return false. So we are checking the opposite condition, meaning if it is a diagonal and if the value at present there is 0, that means it's an invalid case, so we return false. And if we talk about the second condition, so if the current cell is not a diagonal and if it is not equal to 0, so ideally the question says it should be equals to 0, but if it is not equal to 0, so we return false. So finally if all the conditions are met, we come out of the loop and we return true in this case. So again, as usual, the first problem of lead code contest, just implement what the question says, and then we are good to go. So see you in the next video. Take care.